What's going on, guys? It's Isaac. Today we are taking care of, well, it's kind of diesel related. I'm not working on a car today. I'm working on floating a boat. So I don't own this boat, but it sits in front of my house out on the river. And the other day it sunk. So today I am heading out and I'm going to try to upright the boat and pump it out, because I don't want a sunk boat in front of my house, because eventually it's just going to get torn all to pieces. And you know, I like to swim out there. I don't want to jump in on a jagged piece of fiberglass. So my plan is to float the boat and try to keep it afloat. So eventually I can pull it out of the water and cut it up with a sawzall. Whatever. It's an ugly nuisance, and I'm gonna try to fix the problem. So it is 65 degrees right now, maybe even 63, and the water is still cold, and I don't want to get wet, but you know, I'll try to stay dry. So I got to paddle out to the boat, and I have a come along. Oh, I don't want my keys on me, just in case it falls in, just in case they fall in, or me. So where was I at? I don't know where I was at. So I'm going to paddle out, and I'm going to use a come along and a chain and a cable, and I'm going to try to pick up the boat where it's sitting up straight. I went to the store yesterday and I bought a pump where I can pump out the water. So once I get it sitting up straight, pump out the water, and hopefully she'll be floating. So I got to paddle out there now. Here we go. Oh, it's backwards. This is the front. Okay. Oh. All right, so what I want to do is I want to tie up to this boat somewhere inside, and I'm going to run a cable from this boat over to a tree, maybe that stump right there, if it's strong enough, and try to get her upright. I'm not sure about it though. Oh, not gonna be fun. So the question is there anything strong enough I can tie to? You know, maybe this thing on the other side, if it's there. I hope it is. You know, there's something real eerie about a sunk boat. Alright, so I need a cable. Don't want this plastic flying away, so we put a chain on top. Got to cut the little zip ties. Alright, so let's see if we can get this thing hooked up to this boat. All aboard! Oh crap, there's wasps in here. So I don't want to disturb the wasps. Alright, if I'm not mistaken, there is a there's a pickup point on the engine down in there. I'm gonna go for that, and I'll ratchet her over and see if anything happens. So man, going in. I could have sworn there was something. Oh yeah, there it is. Alright, so, you know, normally I would say don't hook up to the engine, but I don't have much choice on here unless I want to get in the water, and I don't want to get in the water. Plus, if it uprights itself pretty easy, then we're good to go. Alright, so let's untie from the boat. And find a place to start ratcheting this thing up. All right. Oh, what the heck? Is there no... It's a winch cable. It's not even... Son of a... So I need a hook to put on the end. So, oh my God. I feel like an idiot. Since it seems like it's a pretty short distance to the boat, I am going to hook up this chain around this stump. This stump's pretty rotten, but if it gets me what I need, then I mean, you know, then all the better. All right. Remember, I have my phone on me. Sit down, don't bust your butt. Let's go around. All right, so I need to try to get as low as I can over here. Where is it? There it is. I think it's getting deeper. All right. Woo. So the plan is to hook up that other chain to that chain, and I'm going to use a green strap to kind of pull it to it so I don't lose it. Well, that's the plan so far, so we'll see how it does. Come on. Wow, that wind is pretty strong. Well, guys, the pants are coming off. I lost my chain, and I'm just tired of messing around. So there's my pants. Hopefully they don't go nowhere, and I'm fixing to get in the water. Not looking forward to it. I wish I was wearing some different shoes. I'm committed now. Oh my gosh. Oh God, it's cold. Oh, oh, oh. Woo! Oh gosh, that's cold. All right. My pants are in there. Oh, gross. No, all right, now I gotta find, oh gosh, that's a limb. Somewhere there is a chain. Gotta find that chain. Somewhere around here should be a chain. Is this a chain? It's a chain. Cool. Now I got to go over and hook up to that stump. Oh, you know the problem with chain is it's heavy. I'm already getting to the end of the chain. Alright, cool. Cool. Oh, it gets deep over here. Hook that to the canoe. Let's pull this thing out. And we're going to take this one over here. Alright, so let's begin to ratchet. Let's see if this boat starts to upright itself. Oh yeah, we're getting somewhere. All right, so I think at this point I'm gonna go ahead and get the pump, and we're gonna start pumping this out while I'm ratcheting on it. That's the plan. It's not in the water. guys, the boat is not sunk anymore. Woo-hoo! I reckon that's it for this video, guys. Sorry it's not a car video, but you know, obviously this had to be done. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch y'all later with more Biscayne content and other things that I'm doing, random stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch y'all later.